Do you want to import your EML files into your Gmail mailbox? Introducing Regain EML to Gmail Migration Tool, the best tool for importing EML files to Gmail in bulk without risk of any data loss. To download this software on your device, go to Google and search for Regain EML to Gmail Migration Tool. On Google search results, open the first web page. This is the official website of Regain software. Here, click on the free download button and download the trial version of the software. Once the software is successfully downloaded on your device, right-click on the exe file and select Run as Administrator. In the installation wizard, simply follow a few on-screen prompts and the software will be successfully installed on your device. You can see it's so simple to install the software. Now let's run the software and check out its features. This is the dashboard of the software. Here first, you will need to import your EML files. For that, click on the Browse button. Select the folder where your EML files are saved and click on the OK button. Then click on the Add EML folder button. As a result, the EML folder will be successfully imported on this software. Now, to import this EML folder on your Gmail mailbox, click on the Gmail option. Here you can see that, besides Gmail, you can also connect your Yahoo Mail, Yandex Mail, Rediff Mail, Zoho Mail, GoDaddy, Outlook or MSN or Hotmail, Hostinger Webmail, IMAP, or other accounts. As per our target, let's select the Gmail or G Suite option. Then enter the Gmail email address. Enter the correct password. Here, make sure to enter the app password in case two-step verification is turned on in your Google account. Then simply click on the Login button. In this wizard, click on the Import Now button. As a result, the migration will be started, and once it's done, all the EML files will be successfully imported into the Gmail mailbox. Here you can see that the migration process has been successfully completed. Now let's open Gmail and verify the migration. Here you can see that all the emails of the EML folder have been successfully migrated into Gmail. So this is how you can use this software and successfully import your EML files into the Gmail mailbox. This software also supports converting your EML files into multiple formats. For that, click on the Export option. In this wizard, you can choose the suitable format in which you want to convert your EML files. For tutorial purposes, let's select the HTML format. Then click on Browse and select a destination where you want to save the output files, and click on the OK button. In this wizard, simply click on the Convert Now button. As a result, the conversion will be started, and once it's done, the output HTML files will be saved on your local directory. Moreover, with this software, you can easily import your EML files into Office 365. Simply click on the Office 365 option, enter your Office 365 account credentials, connect the account, and the EML files will be successfully imported into the Office 365 mailbox. That's all about the software tutorial. If you have found this software useful, purchase it and enjoy all the premium benefits. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with our social media profiles.